Ladies and gentlemen, we are not living in the Hogwarts like Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, who can change the world with magic. We are not Doraemon or Nobita who will give everything that we want. We are not Miss Universe, Miss World, or Miss International who have a beauty of face and beauty of figure. We proudly say that we are a health promoter who will give health education in every inch of this world. Let me give you an example. What? You all think smoking kills? Let me tell you something. Do you know the amount of people dying from diabetes are 3 times as much people dying from smoking? If I bring Snicker bar before, nobody would say anything. Whole war against smoking is only to limit the production of tobacco. Ladies and gentlemen, I use this argument even though I just made them up. This is a hoax, but articulated in very beautiful words. I told this information to all of my friends, and the result? 5 of my friends believed what I say, and 3 of them start smoking. Words, when articulated in very beautiful and bravely, it can change someone's mind. They can alter someone's belief. And you have the power to bring someone from slums of life to very successful of life. Or you can destroy someone's happiness, someone's healthiness only with your words. You have a very beautiful words to say, but when saying in the wrong words, and it's nothing. So ladies and gentlemen, this is our role as the health promoter to give health education in every inch of this world. I am a health promoter. And also people who train the health educator to be able to give health education impactfully. And I really want to be an inspiration to all of my friends in the health education, support SDGs in the health promotion, especially for preventive and promotion effort. And I want to collaborate in the health sector and support the government to solve the health problem in the West Java. So ladies and gentlemen, you and I have a very big dreams, right? You and I have a very big task as a health promoter, right? So, talk less, do more. This is the most important point if you want to make an improvement, revolution, and also transformation in the health educations. Fix ourselves, be a role model, and the others will follow us to make healthiness better together. Thank you.